Here's the stock so far. Pretty much done with the finish for now. Put about 4 or 5 coats of Watco Danish oil on it. In between some of the coats, I tried to rough up the surface a little bit with this Scotch-Brite pad, and it's starting to, I'm gonna rub it some more, I think, with a rag and see if I can buff it up a little bit more. But it's pretty nice. It's starting to build up a nice finish on it. Now for the butt plate, I found this old Winchester repeating arms butt plate that was a little damaged, and I ground it down a little bit to see if I could get it to fit, but it doesn't quite fit, and it makes sense because I did this just kind of by eye when I carved it out. So this butt plate, this Winchester repeating arms butt plate, didn't quite fit. It was a little bit too narrow, and I didn't want to really take off any more of the width, so I knew I needed to make a custom butt plate, and I had to figure out what I was going to use. This is what I came up with. I had this old welcome mat here. It's this rubber material. So what I did is I cut a piece out of this, and then out of that, on the bandsaw, this rubber cuts really nicely on the bandsaw. It's kind of a dense rubber. Cut it on bandsaw, and then on the disc sander, I took off the edge and beveled it. Butt plate. It's that piece of that rubber mat, and then I used that piece of sheet metal and drilled out the holes on the drill press, super glued it together, and now I have something rigid that'll form a butt plate.
I can use this for my project.
You
touch the wood every time. I am happy. If we have a small piece, this could be my sand. Okay, the adjustment worked. I was able to move that
rear sight over a little bit, and I was dead on right here at 25 yards. This was my group before, and I moved the sight over a little bit. Now I'm dead on, it's in the center.